Hello everyone, here's another theory why Styria actually worked better as a slow burn at the beginning and throughout the seasons. Because if you think about it, we have a really fast paced relationship with Allison and Scott. They are on again, off again, they are secret for a while. And then you have the contrast of everything. Stas, who has been pining for Lydia for like forever, and even when she was with Jackson and he broke up with her and he went out on a not I can say dates, but yeah, a little bit like dates with Lydia. He took her to prom, uh, and you would think that she started to like him. And at the end of season one, I thought maybe these two would get together at like the second season or the third season, the most. And in every trailer of the series, there was like Stadia forever, Stadia will Stadia be endgame and things like that. And no, it didn't happen for like forever. It didn't happen till the last season, guys. But I think it made it all worth it. The fact that we knew these characters, we knew them as friends, we knew they would be such a strong couple together because they've been through it all. And I think that made it all so special. And they really had chemistry, to be honest. And the fact that she grew to love him as a friend first is very special to me because I think that a lot of real life relationships that are very good are based off of friendship first. So it's kind of realistic if you think about it, and it's a very good example. So yes, and the fact that she became comfortable around him, and they were both very smart, and she valued him as a friend, and she relied on him as a friend. It was a really good foundation for a beautiful romantic relationship, and that's my opinion.